Obviously, students go to college for the academics, that's their main purpose. But outside of the academics is really where the fun happens. And so students in our program in the evening time are given lots of different social opportunities around campus. So our summer tent, our brand new beacon oasis by the apartment, so students can swim, play basketball, beach volleyball. We provide off-campus trips to Skate World, Target trips for personal hygiene and snacks and whatnot. But I think it's really important to give a wide variety of activities. Our students don't necessarily like the big tent activities, loud bands, all of those things, but they like smaller, more intimate activities as well, so they can build social connection at a very small rate rather than everybody all at one time.
So it was nice to try new things I haven't tried yet, and it was so fun. It's so much more fun going with all my friends. A lot of the activities include the pool days. One time we did tattoos or fake tattoos. There were a Target run. We did silent disco, karaoke. We did some fun games. There was just a lot of stuff to do, and it was just so much fun.
But also with social emotional integration, right? We want to ensure that they're balancing all of these demands, but also taking time for themselves and self-care, but also socializing and getting to know the friends that they could have for a lifetime here at the college.